The Centre for Environmental Justice filed a writ petition with the Court of Appeal today seeking an order to halt work on the Colombo Port City project. The petitioner claims that the project gives rise to a number of issues.
The petition was filed at the Court of Appeal this morning.
One of the
factors that we have highlighted to the court is the environmental impact. As an institution that is duty-bound to protect the environment, we pointed out to court the absence of an environmental impact assessment report and the fact that whatever environmental feasibility studies were conducted were not done in keeping with an accepted procedure. There are problems with the sand and stone being used to reclaim the land. Also, there is a problem of what to do with the waste that will be generated after this is built. At the same time, how are we going to provide water and electricity for all the new buildings that will come up? Do we have the facilities? Have other institutions agreed to this? Attention needs to be focused on several primary factors such as this. A section of our coast is being handed over to another country. This is not allowed under any law. At first glance, it appears that the Ports Authority has interfered in something that it does not have the power to do. We sought to bring all of this before the court so this project can be stopped immediately. If for some reason or for some person's need this project is to continue, then it must be in line with the law of the country.
While a decision has been made by Cabinet to temporarily suspend work on the Port City project, construction continued yesterday as well. This series of footage was captured by our cameras at various points of the day today.
Be it China or any other country, they are not that powerful. When decisions are made in our country, it is our responsibility to implement it. What we mean by stopped is that it has been temporarily suspended until legal authorization and an environmental certificate is obtained. It may be continuing because they have not been informed accordingly. Maybe the recommendations made by the committee are being implemented step by step by the Prime Minister's office. I believe the Cabinet spokesperson announced that it would be halted. There is no payment happening on our side. If someone is continuing it and unloading stone on their own, then they will look after it. We have stopped it for now until a decision is made. When an announcement is made that it has stopped, they should consider it an order. So those involved in these businesses should know that no payments will be made if they continue.
Meanwhile, China has said it is continuing to pay close attention to how the situation develops in Sri Lanka. Foreign Ministry spokesperson Hua Chunying, speaking at a press briefing in Beijing today, expressed hope that Chinese companies' legal interests would be safeguarded. China will continue to pay close attention to how the situation develops and hopes Sri Lanka can properly solve relevant issues out of consideration for the fundamental interests of its national development and maintaining the confidence and enthusiasm of Chinese companies investing in Sri Lanka and safeguard Chinese companies' legal interests.